A fire alarm detection system is installed in a building to detect the presence of a fire. The system is typically made of a number of sensors that are connected to a control panel. There are a number of different types of fire alarm detection systems, and the one that is best for your business will depend on a number of factors, including the size of the building, the type of business, and the budget. There are two types of fire detection systems, the addressable and conventional. If you want to know more about our services, you can visit and check it out directly on our official website. Call us at 288-492-830 or email us at ph.marketing@lrkdsolutions.com, because here at LRKD, we provide better services and solutions.